Enabling Klarna Payments on Shopify is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. Start by signing into your Shopify account. Here's my Shopify account. On the left side of the screen, you'll find various options like Home, Orders, Products, Customers, Content, Analytics, Marketing, and Discounts. Under the Sales channel, you'll see two more options: Online Store and Point of Sale. Towards the bottom left of the screen, there's another option, the Settings button. Simply click on this button. After clicking it, you'll see a new window like this, with options such as store name, phone number, and store email. On the left side, you'll find more options like store details, plan billing, payments, checkouts, and others. Click on the Payments button. When you do, more options will appear here. You can see 3 options, but you should click on the Add a Payment Method button. Once you click on this button, you'll need to search for the Klarna. You can see that Klarna Payments method is here. Then click on the Activate button. You'll need to enter your Klarna details, and Klarna will be enabled for your Shopify store. This is how you can enable Klarna Payments on Shopify.